a machine that effortlessly bridges the gap between classic charm and emerging muscle car dominance. The 1962 Ford Fairlane stands as a symbol of innovation and performance evolution. A vehicle designed for both practicality and power, it arrived at a time when the American automotive industry was shifting towards more powerful, lightweight designs. Join our passionate community as we uncover every fascinating detail of this timeless classic, from its modifications and interior craftsmanship to its current market value, and discover why the Fairlane remains a favorite among collectors and enthusiasts alike. The 1962 model year marked a significant transition for the Fairlane, as Ford introduced it as a midsize vehicle, positioning it between the compact Falcon and the full-sized Galaxie. This was also the year when Ford revolutionized the industry with the introduction of its lightweight, small block 221 cubic inch V8 engine, which later evolved into the legendary Windsor V8 family. The Fairlane's foundation on Ford's new unibody platform allowed for reduced weight while maintaining strength, setting the stage for high-performance potential. Modifications over the years have seen enthusiasts swap in larger V8 engines, such as the 260, 289, and even the powerhouse 427, transforming this elegant cruiser into a street-dominating muscle machine. Suspension upgrades, disc brake conversions, and modern fuel injection systems have also been integrated into many restored and restored versions, ensuring enhanced drivability and reliability. Inside the cabin, the 1962 Fairlane featured a clean, straightforward design with a focus on driver comfort. Bench seats were standard, upholstered in high-quality vinyl or cloth, while the dashboard housed a simple yet stylish gauge cluster. Restorations and custom builds have taken this classic interior to another level. Classic charm is often retained, but modern conveniences elevate the driving experience to meet today's standards, without losing its nostalgic essence. The Fairlane's market value has continued to appreciate, with prices reflecting its rising desirability. Well-maintained originals can be found starting at around $20,000, while fully restored or modified versions with high performance upgrades can command upwards of $50,000 or more. Limited production models and rare configurations tend to fetch even higher prices at auctions, proving that the demand for this classic Ford continues to grow among collectors and driving enthusiasts. Beyond its striking design and groundbreaking engineering, the 1962 Ford Fairlane is a testament to Ford's vision of blending style, performance, and innovation. It represents an era when automakers were beginning to experiment with speed and agility, while maintaining everyday usability. Subscribe, engage, and be part of a community that appreciates automotive history, power, and craftsmanship.